In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account and wait for the dashboard to load completely. This gives you access to the tools you need and helps make sure everything is synced properly before you begin. Once you're in, open the CRM section. This is where your contact and communication records are managed, and it's the place you'll use to create and schedule your email. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area so you can work directly from the contact timeline. Next, open the contact record for the person you want to email. Working from the contact record helps keep all communication organized in one place, which is especially useful for follow-up and tracking. When the contact record is open, click Email. This opens the email composer connected to that specific contact. If needed, enter the recipient information and confirm that the correct person is selected. It's always a good idea to double-check this before writing or sending anything. Now enter your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so the recipient immediately understands the purpose of the message. After that, compose your email in the message body. Write your content carefully and make sure it matches your intended tone, whether it's professional, friendly, or follow-up focused. Before scheduling, review the email content from top to bottom. Check for spelling, clarity, missing details, and overall accuracy. This is an important step because once the email is scheduled, you'll want to feel confident that everything looks right. When you're ready, click the drop-down arrow next to Send Later. This is where HubSpot gives you scheduling options. Select one of the available scheduled send options if one fits your needs. If you want more control, choose a custom date and time instead. After selecting a custom option, confirm the scheduled date carefully. Make sure it matches the day you actually want the email to go out. Then confirm the scheduled time as well. Pay attention to timing, especially if you're coordinating with a client's business hours or trying to reach someone at the best moment. Once everything is set, click Schedule Email. HubSpot will save the message and queue it for delivery at the date and time you selected. Finally, verify that the email has been scheduled successfully. Review the scheduled email activity in the contact record so you can confirm it appears correctly in the timeline. This final check helps prevent mistakes and gives you peace of mind that your email is ready to send automatically. Thanks for watching.